Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video sponsored by Trent Johnson. State Farm, TrentIsMyAgent.com, and of course the big weather story is the big change that is ahead. We've got some showers, a couple thunderstorms tomorrow morning, some showers by Saturday, and then snow showers coming in Sunday night, Monday morning, then a sudden warm up, and it's going to get wet and stormy for a while in mid-November before we cool back down again, and we may see some snow showers just before Thanksgiving. Temperatures aren't so bad today, and there's still a nice amount of fall color out there, even though a lot of leaves are coming down. Upper 50s here at Peru, Logansport's 57, 61 at the Purdue Airport, but we're 63 Covington down to Rockville, and 61 at Thorntown. You see some of the heightened cirrus clouds just starting to come into Reynolds, as well as Thornhope here, which is up in Pulaski County, a sign of the changes to come. Here are some of those high-thin cirrus clouds coming in that will be on the increase tonight. These will continue to increase and thicken with time. So the full beaver moon will be kind of getting blurry with time as the clouds start to come in. Now there's what I call a northern lights watch for tonight, as a pretty substantial solar storm may make the northern lights visible as far south as our forecast area after sunset and through the night. It's still not a guarantee, but it's possible. The only issue is the brightness of the moon and the clouds that will be increasing from the west. But you still might want to get out there and take a look this evening and into tonight. And then eventually we go completely overcast late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and this quick moving band of scattered showers and even a couple thunderstorms pass through between 5 and 10 a.m. By 5 a.m. it's up here in our far northwestern counties. For the heart of the area, like right through here, Lafayette, Rochester, down to Covington, Monticello, it's more like 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, but then this thing zips through quickly, and by 10, it's pushing out. And behind that, we'll get some clearing tomorrow afternoon. A lot of wind. It will still be pretty warm, and then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, some low clouds briefly coming from the northwest, and there could be an isolated shower or two later tomorrow evening. But rainfall is not going to be that plentiful. It's going to vary from a few hundredths to up to a half an inch, and the best chance of getting a half an inch of rain would tend to be in the far northern part of our forecast area. So you can see up here maybe parts of Fulton County, far northern Pulaski County, but you look at the totals elsewhere, they're more like a tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain, and then in between a few hundredths of an inch. In terms of severe weather, you can see the marginal and slight risk. Southern Ohio, southeast Indiana, down to the Gulf Coast stays out of our area. That light green shading here from the Storm Prediction Center, that just indicates the potential of thunder. And then when we look at analog data, computers that take past events and kind of show us based on those past events where we have the higher potential severe weather, you can see how it matches with the Storm Prediction Center. It's got it a little bit farther to the west towards Arkansas and southeast Missouri, but regardless, you get the idea. The marginal to slight risk misses our area. Then Saturday, so some sunshine at first. Clouds increase rapidly once again, and here comes the next storm system coming in from the west. Some scattered showers start to come in very late in the afternoon and towards evening, and behind that, this is all cold air below to well below normal temperatures all the way down to Cuba. Some places dropping 20, 25 degrees below normal. Substantial cold snap coming in, but it won't last overly long. The thing is, with that cold snap, not only do we have a little shortwave, little system that comes through Sunday night, Monday, but we have some lake effect too as the cold air blows over the lake. So look at this. Watch here. There goes our system Saturday night, and here we go. Rain, snow, and snow showers on Sunday. Temperatures will actually be falling slowly on Sunday. Scattered snow showers on Sunday night into Monday morning, and even a few snow showers into Monday itself. Know how tight those lines are. Just a very strong north-northwest wind, and wind chills on Monday morning may run anywhere from upper single digits to low teens. So a big change is coming. That pulls away. We do get a little front that comes through midpoint of next week. So after the cold mornings, it warms up a little bit, and then we get a little bit colder air that comes in with this little front. You'll see the little kink in the lines right there. But one of the main points of showing this map is notice the black lines, they're tight. There's just a lot of wind in this forecast, and it's going to blow a lot of leaves down. And when you got the kind of cold coming that we have, leaves are going to be dropping very, very rapidly. A lot of lake effect snow. Snow from that little system as well on Saturday as well as into Sunday. For us right now, there will be some pockets that do have the grass whitened a little bit. Late Sunday, Sunday night, Monday morning. Some dustings. I would go less than 1 inch right now. We'll keep a close eye on that though. If we need to raise those numbers and go say, hey, some places might get 1 inch or a little hair more than 1 inch, we will. But right now, just be aware there will be some localized dustings or whitening of the grass. And yes, with temperatures dropping into the 20s, even with a pretty warm ground, I'd watch for icy areas on roadways Sunday night and into Monday morning. But then the cold goes away, and yes, look at this. This is warmth. This is big warmth coming in towards about the midpoint of November. So like November 15th through about the 18th, 19th. And with that, showers and storms come back in. Here they come, and multiple rounds of showers and storms as well. You see those here. It wouldn't surprise me if we get some severe weather risk as far north as our area, and some places get to 70 degrees, believe it or not, as PWAT anomaly map here, which basically what this is showing me is how much water can we wring out of a sponge. It's quite a bit above normal. So with these multiple rounds of rainfall and above, well above normal amounts of water to squeeze out, we may get a good more than 1.5 inches of rain area wide during those few days. We can see here with the Madden-Julian oscillation, it's tied to ocean temperatures out in the equatorial Pacific, Western Pacific. It goes into a phase 6, then a phase 7, and then eventually an 8, mid-November to early December. So phase 6 is a warm one for us. Phase 7's colder. Phase 8's a cold phase. So this gives us a clue as to what's going to happen mid-November into December. It gets much warmer again, colder before Thanksgiving with some snow, then coolish, warm up very early December. Then we turn much colder again with snow towards the 5th of December. So that's kind of the way things are going to work with this roller coaster here over the next few weeks. And that'll be something we watch right before Thanksgiving, the risk of getting more snow and more cold as well. Tonight, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms late. After falling into the 40s to low 50s, we rise late. These will be the numbers around 7 o'clock in the morning, running in the 50s area-wide as the wind picks up. A windy day tomorrow, gusts 30 to 43, 65 for the high. Scattered shower storms giving way to some sunshine. And then clouds come in tomorrow night with an isolated shower or two. But look at that, highs still in the 60s. Saturday, we're in the 50s. Enjoy that. The wind picks up later in the day, clouding up. Some scattered showers late in the day. There you see the highs at 55 to 62. So for the Purdue game, it's going to be after halftime towards the end of the game when some of the showers start to come in with temperatures in the 50s and the wind beginning to pick up. But Sunday, 36, then falling to freezing later in the day. Scattered rain and snow showers going to all snow showers and windy. Snow showers Sunday night, Monday morning especially. Watch for some areas of whitened grass, icy spots on the roads as well. There are some more scattered snow showers coming up Monday afternoon, 34, 18 on Tuesday morning, and then we're back to 53 Wednesday, 46 Thursday, and then 60s with showers and storms a week from this weekend.